Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change date and time settings on macOS. To change date and time settings, go to System Preferences, then Date and Time, and now to change the settings you need to click on the log and enter your Mac password. And now you can adjust these settings. You can enable or disable setting date and time automatically, and when you disable it you can change it yourself like that. Okay, or go back to automatic time, and you can also go to time zone and set the time zone, and after you're done click on the log to prevent more changes. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.